that is what I call flat. I haven't seen anything as flat as that since, Flatty the flatbed got his flats flattened.
Well, even though I say so myself, that is one good piece of dozing. Right then, we've got a bridge to build today, Carl. Have you got everything?
I have all the support we need.
Okay, let's take it to the bridge. Mine behind. Mine behind.
Here you go, Scoot.
Thanks.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Bozer.
Hello, Bozer.
Now, I've levelled the ground for the approach road to the bridge, and I just wanted to check that you all had your jobs.
Yes, Bozer.
Actually, Bozer, I haven't got anything to do.
Well then, Diggs, I have got a very important job for you. There's a pile of metal rods that Lug dumped over by the home base that we need for the sides of the bridge. You could go and get those for me.
No probs there, boss.
Lug said he put them just below the water tower. Now, don't be long. The bridge will be really dangerous until we can get some sides on it.
I'm on my way. Vroom!
Morning, Diggs. Where are you off to?
I'm off to get some metal rods for the bridge.
I saw them this morning over by a big pile of gravel. See you later.
Well, I don't see any rods. Or any gravel. Just this huge piece of flat, gravelly ground.
Isn't that the flattest thing you ever did see? Bozer dozed that only this morning. What a dozer. Oh, yes, what a dozer.
Oh, no. If Bozer dozed the gravel this morning, and the metal rods were by the pile, he must have dozed the rods in with it. I'd better go and tell Bozer he's made a mistake. But how can I tell him? He's the boss, and bosses don't make mistakes. Oh, no.
Carl, you can move off the bridge now.
Boss, I have to say, I am a bit stuck.
Stuck?
Yeah, without sides on this bridge, I'm getting this spooky feeling that if I move, I might just topple off.
You just stay where you are, Carl. That bridge is very dangerous without sides. Now, where is Diggs with those metal rods? Cari, Scooch, on your next supply run, could you check out where he is?
Yes, boss.
You won't believe what's happened. Bozer has dozed the metal rods in with his gravel.
He can't have. Bosses don't make mistakes like that.
Believe me, he has.
Well, you better go and tell him.
Tell the boss he's made a mistake. How can I do that?
Watch my grill. You say, Bozer, you have just made a mistake.
Oh, no. I couldn't. I just couldn't.
Look, Diggs, you have no choice. Either tell Bozer he's made a mistake, or you dig up his freshly dozed site and find the rods yourself.
Oh. Bozer, I think you've made a little mistake. Bozer, you've made a big mistake. Oh, no. Bozer, everyone makes mistakes, but, oh.
Try to take your mind off it, Carl. Don't worry, everyone. Diggs is here.
With an empty bucket. Where are the rods, Diggs?
Well, the thing is,
Yes?
you, made a...
What?
A miss...
A what?
I tried to, find the rods, but...
Oh, Diggs, I'm so sorry. I know what you're going to say.
You do?
How were you supposed to carry the rods back on your own? Silly me. Scooch! Can you help Diggs with the rods? Off you go and get back as quickly as you can.
Don't worry, I can hang on a bit longer.
Oh, dear. What are you going to do, Diggs?
Oh, there's really only one thing I can do.
Diggs, are you sure just telling Bozer he'd made a mistake wouldn't have been easier?
Oh, no. When I found the rods, I'll just flatten this lot off again with my tyres. Bozer will never know.
I think he might.
Hey! There they are! I found the rods! I'm saved! Saved!
Saved from what, exactly?
What on earth has been going on here?
I was just trying to pick the rods out from under your dozing.
My what?
Oh, Bozer. The metal rods were next to the gravel and you accidentally dozed them into the ground.
Well, why didn't you tell me?
Because you're the boss and I thought you might get angry.
Look, just because I'm the boss doesn't mean I don't make mistakes. I was so eager to doze I didn't check where the rods were. Well, I would never do that again.
And I'll never be too scared to tell you you've made a mistake again.
So, we've both learned something. Come on, scoop up those rods. We've got to get Carl off that bridge before he blows a gasket.
That feels much safer.
Do you think Bozer will tell the other machines about his mistake?
Oh, no. I expect he'd be too embarrassed to mention it.
Oh.
I can't believe I dozed those rods into the gravel. What a silly mistake.
Oh, it was I who put the rods there in the first place. In which case, it was, my mistake.
No. It was my mistake. I should have checked.
Bozer, I think that metal rod thing could be my mistake. I saw them. I should have known what had happened.
Oh, no, Maxine.
All the older machines are arguing over whose mistake it was.
I didn't realize making mistakes was such a good thing. I should make more.
No, Scooch. I don't think it works like that.
Oh.
Come on, let's finish the job. With no mistakes. Ha-ha!
No, it was definitely mine.
No, it was mine.
No luck, really. It was my mistake.
No, it was definitely mine.
I think it was my mistake, darling.
It couldn't have been
I must take the responsibility.
I got there first. I remember